Hello friends, how are you doing all? Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another session of learning English and improving English speaking skill with me. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. We are going to address very important topic I can say. This is a very important crucial topic for every English learner. So basically what is the topic? The topic is I can understand English but I can't speak. Yes, we can understand English but we can't speak it. Yes, this is the topic. So before I start the session, I just want to request all of you guys, please like, share, subscribe my channel and share with your friends too. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. So basically we know that what is the topic is we can understand English but we can't speak it. Why? What is the reason? We know how to read, we know how to write, we know how to understand. When we are watching television, when we are watching English movie, when we are reading English book, any story book, we easily understand. When we heard any someone speech, we easily understand. If anyone is speaking in English, we understand very well. But problem is that only speaking, we can't able to speak. So why? Because we familiar of this language. It is a sure because you are able to understand. Yes, you are able. It means you are familiar of this language. You know lots of thing in English, but you are juggling only one problem, that is speaking. So you can't consider yourself I'm a beginner. No, not at all. बिकॉज आप बिगनर नहीं हो, आपको इंग्लिश समझ में आती है, पढ़ने आती है, लिखने आती है, तो हाउ कैन यू कंसिडर योर सेल्फ एज अ बिगनर? नो. एंड 50% ऑफ द वर्क है ना. देन वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर स्पीकिंग पार्ट. So how you improve your speaking, what are the reason, what are the solution, each and everything we will discuss here. I will discuss with you guys. We know English very well, we read English book, and we when we were in school, you just imagine those days when we were in school, your teacher definitely they taught us in a school time, and you go through lots of grammar rule, words, idiom, phrases. There are lots of things we already read in school time and learn in school time. And our teacher taught us just as a subject. They never consider English as a language. You have to speak it. No, they never mention, they never guide us. We have to speak it. They always taught us English as a subject. They always give a homework, grammar rule, sentence structure, and we just complete it, pass the examination, that's it. There is no need of English in our day to day life. Yes, so we can't say I'm not familiar of this language. We all are familiar of this language. So what you have to do now, because still most of the people they are doing same thing, because now we are still focused only input part. What is it? What is input part? It means you are still doing the same thing. What? Like you are just grabbing words, learning grammar rules, watching videos, listening content, learning idioms, phrases. Yes, am I right? Yeah, because all or most of the people they are doing the same thing. We not focus on a speaking part, we just focus on input part. That is the reason we not able to speak. So what you have to do, you have to change your way. Until and unless you will not able to speak, so how you consider yourself become a fluent? No, you have to speak it. You have to focus on your output part. Output, it means whatever you learn, whatever grab, whatever content you listen, whatever grammar rule you learn, idioms, phrases, try to speak it out, speak it loudly. That is your output part. Only grabbing the rules, learning the words, mugging the words, it's not going to help you. Never ever you will consider yourself become fluent in English, isn't it? So what you have to do, you have to focus on your output. You have to start your speaking, because until and unless you will not start, you will not take your first step of your speaking journey. How is possible? It is not any kind of miracle. No, you have to understand, because if you want to speak English, so you have to open your mouth. You have to speak it. Whether you are doing mistake, it's okay. Whether you are not able to form the sentence, whether you are doing grammar mistake, it's okay, because mistakes are common. Without mistake, how you will learn? No, mistakes are part of this journey. Okay, so what you have to do, guys, you have to start speaking. Like, in initial days, you just speak 2 minutes, 3 minutes, according to your interest, I can see. Because initial day you will easily get irritated, feel bored, yeah, because we are not familiar of this language. Part of speaking, we are familiar of listening, reading, writing, yes, mugging the words, but we are not interested, taking interest in speaking part. So in initial days, what you have to do, you just speak 2 minutes, 3 minutes, okay. You promise yourself, you can pick any topic, maybe your self introduction, maybe your hobbies, maybe your best friend, maybe your family, whatever your topic want to pick it, and try to speak continuously 2 minutes, 3 minutes, okay. In this way, gradually you will able to speak any particular topic, है ना. तो आपको धीरे 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 करके हैबिट बनाना होगा. डोंट फोकस ओनली इनपुट पार्ट, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर आउटपुट, isn't it? So your next task is, you have to focus on output, and you have to every day, whatever you word, sentence, idioms, phrases learn in a single day, okay, try to use it in your conversation. Because friend, I want to tell you guys, it is a reality, it is a true. If you are not going to speak, no one will come in your life, and no one will force you. Everyone just give a suggestion. So ball in your court, you have to take a decision what you have to do. If you want to speak, then you have to open your mouth. You have to speak loudly. Don't afraid of mistake, don't afraid of people. If they are laughing of your broken English, that is okay, because friend, when you will get achieve your goal na, no one will remember those days, how many difficulty you faced. So if you want to speak, then you have to speak, and in this way definitely you will consider yourself, I am able to speak English now. This is the reason we not able to speak, we just focus on input. So now you have to do, you have to focus on your output part. Don't focus only input. Both are very important, we can't ignore it. Input is not important, no, it's important, because without learning, how you will speak? Yes. So you learn, definitely you learn, but make sure whatever you are learning, try to use it, otherwise you will lose it. अगर आप बोलोगे नहीं, फिर आप उसे भूल जाओगे, तो क्या बेनिफिट है? व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ योर लर्निंग? देर इज नो बेनिफिट, यू आर जस्ट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम. सो स्टॉप वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, use it, don't lose it. Okay, thank you so much friends watching this video. I hope you got it, and thank you so much. Bye.